Hey, how you doing? Justin here, as usual. Continuing the beginner's course, now we're checking out the E minor chord. Now the E minor chord is a piece of cake. In fact, it's so easy, I was just even thinking about not making a video for it, but I thought it might feel a bit upset if we made videos for all the other chords and then didn't for this one. I didn't want it to feel left out. So I'll do a little close-up for it, but this one is really easy. Here we are for a look at E minor. This is the easiest chord on the beginner's course. I'll give you a clue. There's E. There's E minor. Whee! So it's only using two fingers. Now, to be honest, you can use any fingers that you want for this. Sometimes you might want to use fingers 1 and 2. For example, later on when we look at the G chord, it's a lot easier to use fingers 1 and 2 for E minor. We haven't done G chord yet, so that's probably not even entering your mind. But you could use 2 and 3, which we're doing now. Later on, you might even want to use 3 and 4, or 1 and 4. Actually, that would be really stupid. But you could use any combination that you want, as long as you're holding the right dots. Now, the one I recommend you use for this beginner part is fingers 2 and 3. It is quite simply finger 2 on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and finger 3 on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Now, all of those notes should be pretty straightforward, as long as you're remembering to keep your fingers round. The only one that people seem to have trouble with sometimes is the G string. That note there sounds like that because they've let their 3rd finger lean over a little bit too much. It mutes it. If you bring your fingers back onto the fingertips from there, you should get yourself a nice chord.